The Bohn Company Group, which is celebrating its 50-year anniversary in April 2013, produces insulated glass, toughened safety glass, vinyl windows, and conservatories, with a staff of almost 400 employees. The glassworks and window production sites are located close to each other and form a seamless production chain. The Sinsheimer Glass division produces high-performance insulated glass and single-pane safety glass, not only for their sister companies Bohn, vinyl windows, and T-Bow, conservatories, but also supplies glaziers, metal workers, and carpenters. Bohn uses IT solutions from A+W for their commercial processes, as well as production planning and control. A+W provides premium solutions for both companies and can meet the requirements for glass and window production while using all the advantages of fully integrated software. With a software solution from a single source, Bohn and Sinsheimer Glass can make even better use of the synergy effects that result from the value chain, from insulated glass to windows or conservatories. The A+W production software ensures that IG panes produced by Sinsheimer Glass are delivered to Bohn on time and in the right glazing sequence. The production of windows and all commercial processes are performed by the A+W Cantor fenestration software. Dealers and assembly partners from Bohn are equipped with a Cantor dealer solution, ensuring that all processes, from order to deliveries, are carried out with one system. The company group Bohn, which consists of the companies Bohn and Sinsheimer Glass, has been closely working together with A+W since the 70s. Our cooperation began with the production of insulated glass by using software from A+W. That was also the reason why we chose to integrate a solution from A+W for the fenestration business in 2001, known as Cantor. Today, roughly 350 staff members of our company are working on approximately 180 terminals with software from both packages. By using a combination of software for glass and window production from the same company, we think that we have chosen the most promising combination that is available for the software business of our industry.